So in short, first line I'm speaking on the pharmaceutical technology. What is its global status and what is the India status is also correct. So if we categorize our students, there is no need to categorize. The B Farm can work in the hospitals and PharmD can start the industry also. But just broader classification is given for the students who are already taken admission, where they can go and what specialization they can work. Global pharma industry, it is a 1.2 trillion in 2018. Okay, what is the Indian pharma industry? See the last figure, 2022 figure, it is a 41 billion US dollar industry. It is very big industry. Biopharma industry, the new area where we are growing, is vaccines, biologicals, diagnostics, and bioinformatics. It is also growing at very high speed.
Pawar sir, Professor Pawar, can I just ask one question?
Yeah.
Here, please don't mind. I would like to get educated as Vice Chancellor. In this slide you have given, as on today, the entire country's pharmacy market is about $41 billion.
Yeah.
2020 and last year, I think before last year, 36 billion dollars.
Yeah.
Why this huge market of India is just equivalent to one company of Medtronics?
No,
one company, only one company is producing the market of that one company is $30 billion.
Yeah, sir, but next slides are there. I'll show. So yes, our contribution, our contribution at global level. So we are counting at US level also. Almost 40% is our responsibility, our contribution. So the Indian pharma developed from 2005.
Okay.
Before that, means nothing was there. Due to the globalization, therefore slides will come.
We are evolving. We
are evolving from 2005. Again, what are the challenges also? Because as we said, I noted your point. Innovation. Really, we are master in a generic market. What the generic market I will say.
Generic, that I know.
Generic we are not innovating. We are not innovating.
Absolutely.
We are not innovating. This is another problem.
The formula is given by US and Reddy Lab markets because they are with some companies in. I know thoroughly R&D of Dr. Reddy Labs.
Yeah, but now Corona given a chance. What Corona given chance, we'll think on that and how our pharmacy will develop.
Here also my question to you, sir. You are a highly learned person. I am very happy to interact with you. My question to you is, I am a learner like a student in pharma. Why Bharat Biotech is now collaborating? Then there is one more company, second company.
Everybody. Serum is also collaborating.
There are three companies in India. For coronavirus, 100%, all three companies are collaborating with US to develop something. Why not on our own?
Correct, sir.
Though we say that we are big leaders.
Yes.
So whether lacuna?
Take software, electronics, or take a pharma. Brain is ours. Take software.
Very interesting.
Pharma, brain is ours. But facility is theirs. Facility is there and owner is there. So in a Google also main share is Indian share. Brain is Indian. Correct. Everywhere go, brain is Indian. But due to the India overall culture of India, we are not having that facility. If you have that facility, infrastructure, only our people are working there. Companies of America, Google is of America, but CEO is of India. And it is, in pharma also the same thing.
It is the same.
The same thing. We are having the capacity. We have the intellectual people, but support is needed. Support.
I hope it comes now.
Yeah, it will come.
Things have started changing fast.
Fantastic. How many rupees crores are now government is spending in the last slide.
Yeah, tremendous, sir. Tremendous change now is going to be there in the country.
So last line, sir, is important. India also account for 60% of global vaccine production.
Mass production.
Yeah. So we are doing excellent, but journey started from 2005 only. So before 2005, what was situation that we'll see? Correct. So 2025 forecast, Indian pharma expected to go by 100 billion US dollar. In another area where we are now taken a start This is the devices. Because everything grow when there is a regulation. We've grown from 2005. It is due to our GMP regulation and globalization. And now in the last 2 years only, our device regulation is approved in India, and now we will grow in this area also. So pharmaceutical exports, tremendous exports we are doing. Mainly these exports in the generic, but we have the exports including bulk drug, intermediates, drug formulations, biological, Ayush, herbal, devices and surgicals. So this is the very recent 2020 April statistics by KMPG. So our whole Indian pharma market, then the formulation market and bulk drug. If we say the formulation market, it is a 2,800 billion, correct? So we have the domestic and export, and our export is equal to the domestic. We are exporting the regulated market. Regulated market means America, Australia, all very big countries where there is regulation, and also in a semi-regulated countries. In the bulk drugs, comparatively, we have the less. But now India will change in the next 5 years. That is my point. Here we are half of the formulations, but in the domestic and export also, we are doing excellent in the regulated market and non-regulated market. So global status. So India is globally third for volume of production. Means कितना बनाते हैं, कितना टन बनाते हैं, volume में है. But we are on the 13th for a value, cost की वजह से. इसका दूसरा मीनिंग भी लिखता है सर कि हमारा मेडिसिन at least 13 times cheaper than the US medicament. That capacity we have. Recognition. India is considered the global pharmacy of generic drugs. इंडिया का जनरिक बहुत अलग है सर. मेरा बुक है मराठी इंग्लिश हिंदी में, जनरिक औषधि समझ गए समझ. So our generic is different and American generic is different, but we have full capacity to produce high standard US FDA approved generic drug. Therefore, we are recognized globally as the generic pharmacy of the globe. India is the largest provider of generic drugs globally. It supplies 50% global demand for various vaccines, 40% generic drugs in the US, 25% in UK, 80% AIDS medicaments. We are very strong in the anti-AIDS medicaments. Correct. So every one pill, 1 in every 3 pills consumed in United States is manufactured by Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, or here Pune EMQ.